Did you know there's a hidden PC in your Windows 10 and 11? You guys don't believe me? Let me show you guys. So first of all, what you do is that you go and write Windows R and then write optional features. After that, after writing optional features, click OK and scroll all the way down to Windows Sandbox. Scroll all the way down and click on Windows Sandbox and then click OK and wait for it to scan and then restart your PC. I'll meet you guys after I restart my PC. After you restarted your PC, go on Windows search bar and write Windows Sandbox and click on this icon of Windows Sandbox and wait for it to load. It will take a bit time to load. After it's loaded, it will look like this, and it's a virtual machine. It's an isolated environment in your PC which will protect you from viruses and threats. Now you can search anything here you want, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Meet you guys in the next video.